Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, guys. Today I will teach you the most important function of the language, which parts play an important role in a sentence, and you should know the words functions what which they perform in a sentence. So I will guide you how you can know their function which they are performing in a sentence. So it is very necessary for us to learn these functions which words perform in a sentence. If we know this function, then we can learn and understand the sentences, the language very well. So it is very necessary for us to know. So today's lecture is very important. So stay connected with the video till end. I am starting my lecture. And you know very well the words, the constituents will perform different functions in a sentence. We call it parts of speech. So I'm gonna start my lecture with the parts of speech. To put it very simply, a part of speech identifies a word in accordance with its function in a sentence, such as a noun, a verb, an adjective, a pronoun, an adverb, a preposition, a conjunction, and an interjections. These are the constituents of a language. Mean these are the parts of a language. We should know these parts. So today we will start our lecture with parts of speech. Nouns, pronouns, these are the parts of speech are given here. So today I will discuss about the noun, so stay connect with us. Noun, a noun is a word that names something such as a person, place, thing, or idea in a sentence. Nouns can play the role subject, direct object, the indirect object, subject complement, object complement, a positive modifier, cat, bicycle, Lahore, Ahmed. So these are the different functions which perform nouns in a sentence. It may be a subject which comes before the verb. It may be a object, direct object which receives the action of the verb and it comes after the verb. It may be indirect object, so it comes in between the sentence, like he gives me 5 rupees. So me is acting as an indirect object in the sentence. It may be subject complement, like the beautiful boy is very honest. So the handsome boy is very honest. So here it is acting as a subject complement. Object complement, this house is most beautiful house. So most beautiful house is acting as an object and it is called object complement. So a positive and modifier, these are the various things given below. You can find it. Types of nouns here: singular noun, plural noun, common, proper, countable, uncountable, material noun, abstract noun. Okay, singular noun and plural noun. Singular nouns represent one thing. For example, chair. Plural nouns represent more than one thing. Chairs, plural nouns of nouns. By adding, how we can make a singular noun into plural noun? By adding s or es. Like orange, we will add s, oranges. Fox, we will add es, foxes. Beach, we will add es, beaches. Bench, we will add es, benches. When y comes at the end of the word, what we do? We add ies suffixes. Like cherry, it will convert into cherries. Puppy, it will convert into puppies. Words ending with f or fe change into ves. Wife will convert into wives. Life will convert into wives. Lives. Leaf will convert into leaves. So common and proper nouns. Common, proper noun. A proper noun is a specific noun of a person, place, or thing and is always capitalized. New York, Jinnah, Sindh. Common noun. A common noun is the generic name of an atom in a class or group and is not capitalized unless appearing at the end of a sentence in a title, like river, girl, student. Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted even if the resulting number would be extraordinarily high, like the number of the humans in the world. Countable nouns can be singular or plural and can be used with numbers and modifiers like an a, an, the, some, any, a few, many, a cat, a few cats, 8 cats. Uncountable nouns or mass nouns are nouns that are impossible to count, whether because they name intangible concepts, information, wealth, collections of the things that are considered as whole, jewelry, equipment, the working class, the homogeneous or physical substances, milk, sand, air. Most of these nouns are singular in form. Material and abstract nouns, material or concrete noun, the things which we can touch. Okay, a concrete noun is something that is perceived by senses, something that is physical or real. Keyboard, mobile, cooler, doorbell. Abstract nouns. An abstract noun is something that cannot be perceived by the senses. Courage, bravery, belief, and happiness. These are from my side for today's lecture. Hope you have learned a lot of things related to parts of speech and related to noun. So, good luck. Meet you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.